Well, I don't have any. I was always thinking about doing a stash ad video, but I'm not in a position anymore to go out and add more stuff. And I got plenty of stuff. Anyway, so I can't do stash ad. Well, I did one in December last year because I got some money for Xmas, and after paying off some utility bills, I went and bought myself and I did an unboxing video, my first and so far only, no, it's not the only one, my first unboxing video. So yeah, so anyway, maybe we'll look into this cabinet of mystery. This used to be my middle daughter's art supply cabinet that she made herself when she was in high school. And she painted that. And anyway, she had that, graduated high school, and then she, I don't know what she did. Anyway, oh yeah, a lot of things happened. Anyway, finally, she moved to Boise, just as all my kids have moved to Boise. But she left this cabinet here, and she said I could have it. And so I put models in it. And as you can see, it's kind of hard to access, and I haven't really accessed it. So, well, maybe. Let's see what we got in here. Maybe, I don't know. Well, I can open this door a little bit. And then I can't. Nope. Well, I'm going to have to clear things out. Well, in clearing the stuff out of the way of the doors, I found my Tiger 1 engine compartment resin set, which I had wondered what happened to it. So I got these guys in here, and so it used to be full. And now there's some spots missing there, and yeah, well, let's move in. And what should we look at? I'm not going to go through the whole thing. It'll take too much time. So let's start with, so I won't go into the, look at this. So I have an early, I don't think it's original issue, but is there a date on this one? There should be. 1944 pickup monogram. 1985. Yeah. And it's all there. Put that right down there. And then this is the Revell, the more modern Revell issue. This one was, where's the date? 2011. So I got that. Yeah. Still, it's all in there. It's just, I don't know. I see things, and when you have money and you see things you like, you just buy it, and then oh yeah, I'm going to do this and that to it, and yeah. Here's this one. Round 2 issue. It's all there too. Never opened it. I can decide, am I going to lowrider it? Which is too obvious. So I still haven't decided on, because I don't like making them box stock. And then there's this one here. I wonder if this is the one that I started chopping this thing up. No, this is the one I haven't even messed with yet, but I have another one that, I don't know what was wrong with me. I just started chopping it up, and then I said, what am I doing? I didn't have a plan. Here's this Foos thing, and I didn't buy this because it's Foos, because I think that Foos guy is overrated. Maybe this is the one I started. Oh, the decals that got wrecked. Dang it. You didn't even know that. Yeah, this is this Foos one is the one I started chopping up. I started chopping up the roof. And then I was like, what's the plan? Oh well. Anyway. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Put these 40 Fords back up here. I don't got no plan. Do I have a plan? I don't got a plan. Well, I convinced myself I had a plan, but yeah, that's a neat car. And haven't even taken it out of the, convinced myself I was going to do something with it, but and this I'm going to put that back. Oh no, it's another Foos. But 67 Cornet, that's why. Mopar. That's why I got up. Haven't even taken that one out either. It's still in the wrappers. Ooh, dang, it's like there's an earthquake all the time. And then there's this one. Yep. Now this says 25th scale. It says 25th scale, but it sure does look like the old it looks like the old 24 scale monogram. But the box says 25th. 1/25th scale. But maybe it is. I don't know. Get up in there. Ouch! Ooh, my gout. Oh. Alright. What? How did I get that in there? Oop. There. Put that back in there. Okay. Ooh, I can't. I gotta sit down. My inflamed leg is acting. Okay, so yeah, we'll pause it here for now. Okay, I've took a pain med and had my leg up for a little bit and made some more adjustments in my junked up model building room so I could get a chair over here. I'm sitting in a chair, and maybe I'll be able to go a little bit slow. Man, I was, whew. Before I started the video, my leg wasn't bothering me, but once I just, hoo-wee. Oh well, that's so I can, now that I'm sitting down and feeling a little bit, no pressure on. Oh, look it. It's been a little bit more. Anyway, so I was making a lowrider. And this is I guess you could call this a stalled build. Because I was doing real good. I thought, look at that paint job. It's really doing real good. I thought that paint job was really good. And then I started on the trim, and then I just lost interest. I don't know. I don't know why. It was just like I just went, Look at that. I don't think it shows up. wow, it's not as shiny as I remember it. Anyway, and the interior parts, I was working on them. And I just lost interest. So I was like, looks cool. And then I just went, I don't know. But I still think about it. I still think, I'm still like, why don't you finish that thing? It's looking good. And part of me, I'm thinking it's because it is looking so good that I was like, I'm going to screw it up. 41 Chevy. Another pickup truck that I haven't used some of the decals for another. Okay. Yep. Still in the wrapper. Used a couple decals for a different kit. And here's another one that. So what would this be? That's not stash ads. This is a stash inspection. But here's another one I was working on, and I went. Anyway, like, see, there's a nice candy purple chassis in gold and purple and gold. And I think the problem on this one, I was having, you might not be able to see it in the video, but I don't know what was going on these rear fenders. The paint was just bubbling. And I kept sanding it and repainting it. And finally, when it just kept doing it, I was like, what is wrong with these? Is there something on these rear fenders that I can't see? And then I was like, I have painted them so many times now, it shouldn't be affecting the... I don't know what's going on. So I gave up. And here's this one, and this one was, I think this one has broken A-pillar. Oh, bent A-pillar. It has a bent A-pillar. And I was like, what am I going to do with that? And I was like, hey, I don't know. Just like the other ones. I don't know. I'm just going to... Don't you love the way you can't put these boxes back together? Oh, ow. Dang it, even sitting down. All right, leg, it don't. There's something else I can look at. Let's see, how long has it been? Oh, well, I think I'll call this stash inspection good for now. And save these other lower shells for another video. And maybe my legs won't be all swelled up and everything and all this other crap. Hey, guys, notice there's a lot of guys on the YouTube model building videos with health problems and personal problems. It's like, what's going on this year? Anyway, well, that was my first stash inspection video. There you have it.